Hello guys, welcome back. First of all, we wish you a happy and prosperous new year ahead. One of the trending feature on WhatsApp today is animated stickers. In this video I will show you how to create an animated WhatsApp sticker. First step is select a GIF that you want to convert as WhatsApp sticker. Here I take this GIF and downloading it. You can take small videos also. Next step is search EasyGIF on Google and open the website shown in this video. The website link is given in the description. Click on the WebP button. Now you add the downloaded GIF and upload. Now scroll down and press Make WebP button. Then select Resize option and edit width and height to 512. And press Resize Image. Again scroll down and save the resized image by long pressing. Now open WhatsApp and ask your friend to send a sticker that you don't have in your favorite list. Then you go to File Manager and open WhatsApp in Phone Storage. Open Media, then WhatsApp Stickers folder. Now copy the name of that recent sticker. Then you rename that copied name to the downloaded WebP file. Next, to move that renamed file to WhatsApp sticker folder and replace it there. Clear WhatsApp from background. Then open App Settings and clear WhatsApp cache data. Now go to WhatsApp and open your friend's chat. The WebP file will be there instead of that sticker. Add it to your favorite and send. Thank you all. See you on next video.